Your Lincoln has a capless fuel filler that can save you time at the pump. Since there's no cap to twist, you open your fuel door by putting a finger under the exposed tab on the door and pulling it open, or by pushing it in a bit until it releases and you can open it the rest of the way. Once it's open, insert the nozzle all of the way, making sure it goes through both flaps, and fill up. You'll want to wait 5 seconds before removing the nozzle and closing your fuel door. If you're using a portable fuel container, you'll need to use the easy fuel funnel provided with your vehicle to avoid damaging the seals on the spring-loaded flaps. To locate it, fold the rear driver's side seat back down and lift the carpet up to access it. And keep in mind, to help protect against fuel theft, splashing, or water getting in the tank, the capless fuel filler is tamper-resistant, and the self-closing, spring-loaded flaps help keep fuel from sloshing out and water from leaking in when it rains or when you wash your vehicle.